honoring a man who crossed from public service to precision manufacturing with a vision to strengthen India's aerospace and defense capabilities. Som Shekar N, Director, JRVD Dfence Space Technologies, was felicitated as a Manufacturing Maestro in Bengaluru by Umesh L S, Founder Director, Aspire Precision Technologies, and Aveen Padmaprabha, Business Head, IQS, ZEISS India. For 3 decades, he served in the Department of Revenue, witnessing the resilience and determination of Indian manufacturers from the other side. In 2024, he crossed the floor to become one of them, co-founding JRVD Dfence Space Technologies. In its very first year, the company established itself as a trusted aerospace and defense manufacturing partner, with over 80% of its production exported to customers across the United States, Europe, and Israel. A journey that truly embodies the spirit of a manufacturing maestro.
Thank you, Mission Maker. Thank you, ZEISS, for recognizing us and giving us this platform.
Somebody was telling the micro is very difficult, SME is also difficult, but our job is to find out how do we make things happen rather than just get worried about it. So let us enjoy what we are doing. The struggle is because of the passion. So let's enjoy that struggle and then achieve something great. I think now machine makers are there to celebrate also.
I like to thank a machine maker for conducting such a wonderful event here in Garden City, Bangalore. And you guys have been very pivotal in encouraging the entrepreneurs from MSME sector